Hello everyone, in this video we will see the concept of strings. Strings are basically collection of characters. So in Python we will enclose a string within either single quotes or double quotes. So there are some couple of methods in which we can create a string and we will see it one by one in this video. So first let me create a variable to store a string and let me call the variable name as a, which is equal to. So now I am going to store a string called as hello world. So like this only we have to create a string in Python, and we will print the content of a, and we will see what is the output. So you can see hello world is being printed. This is because a is a string which holds the value hello world. So like this. So this is one way to create a string. So similarly you can also enclose a string with single quotes. So in most of other languages like Java, C, C++, so this sort of technique is not allowed. You have to enclose a string only in double quotes. Okay, so in Python we can enclose either in single quotes or double quotes, and there is a meaning why Python offers these two flexibilities. Because so consider a string, so like this. So now let our string contain a character double quotes itself. So that is within this string there is one character called as double quotes. Okay, so now let us run and see, and you can see there is a error. Okay, so because string should be enclosed within double quotes and there is a double quotes in between. Okay, so this double quotes, what it does is, so it tells that Python the string starts here and ends with this O. Okay, so after this double quotes this string is not been considered, so only we are getting this error. So to avoid this error, what we have to do, if you are going to use double quotes inside a string, then you have to enclose this with single quotes. Okay, so now let us run and see. There will be no error. You can see hello world is being printed and there is a double quotes present inside a string. Similarly, if you want to use single quotes inside a string, so for example you are writing a SQL query, so you need to use single quotes inside a string. So in that case what you can do, you can enclose the string with double quotes and you can use a single quote inside it. Okay, so this is also allowed. You can see there is a single quotes inside the string. So these are the two methods in which we can create a string. And now we will create a string which contains more than one line. Okay, so suppose this is a string and this is one line, and now I am going to include a second line. Okay, so this is Python, and now let us run this code and see. You will get the error because okay, a string starts here and ends here and there is a new line in between. Okay, so whenever you are using a new line, you should not enclose the string with single quotes or double quotes. Rather than that, you have to use triple single quotes or triple double quotes. So let us use triple double quotes here, and similarly you have to use triple double quotes to end the string. So now let us run and see. You will get the required output. So this is how you will create multi-line strings in Python. Similarly, you can add any number of lines. So this is line number 3 and line number 4. So number of line is not an issue. So as long as you close a string with triple double quotes or triple single quotes, you can use any number of lines in a string.